In this assignment, you will be working with using formulas. In Excel, you can use it to perform operations such as adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. The trick to performing these computations or performing these math formulas is by starting your formula with an equal sign. On your keyboard, you have your equal sign, you have your addition, subtraction, multiplication, which is a little star, and division. Those are the symbols that you're going to be using to work with addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Now, for this assignment, let's suppose that we're going to do an example. We're going to start our formula with an equals for addition. You never ever write the number, okay? If you have a number there, you're going to click on the number. You do not type it. You always click on the number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type equals because I have to start with an equals. Click on the number, and I'm going to click on the plus sign on my keyboard, plus, and so that I can add this number to the other number. But since I don't type in the number, I click on the number and then I press equals, and that's going to give me my answer. Remember, you start with an equals, click on the number that you are going to add, okay, to the other number. Press enter. Subtraction, the same process. Start with an equals, and then you're going to click on the number, and you are going to subtract. Type that number in. Oops, sorry. Subtract from the other number and press enter to finish. Equals the first number minus the second number. Press enter and it'll give you your result. Multiplications equals the first number multiplied. You're going to click on the little asterisk on top of the 8, shift, star, times the other number. Equals the number multiplied by the next number. Same thing for division. Equals this number divided by, which is right under the question mark. Oops, sorry. Divided by the other number. Press enter. Equals this number divided by the other number. Press enter. And this is how you perform calculations on Excel. Keep in mind that I need for you to please try to do the other worksheet as well. There's another tab at the bottom. Okay, but I can't see it because this thing is in the way. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller because the thing is not letting me see it. Right here you have the practice assignment, and we scroll to the right, then you have the regular assignment that you're supposed to be working on. If I maximize it, you're going to notice that you have two tabs. You have the practice and you have the assignment. You need to complete both of these to receive credit for this assignment.